Hi guys, it's me Ian, and today we will be reviewing four die-cast cars. I don't think they're die-cast, but I found like four of them. So first, let's see Todd Marcus. I like the motion expression. I like the paint. That's like a flag. He's the only racer. He's the only racer with the biggest number. There's Clutch 8 121, but in this one you just add one more. It's 123 and the other one is 121. So there. Now we have a Ruby Easy Oaks. So I like the expression. It's different expression. I don't know you noticed them, but this one has a wider like eyes, and these have normal ones. I like the colors of this one. Number 51. In Car Street he's 15 because a Cruz Ramirez gets number 51 when she turns to Dinoco. That's why this guy in Car Street turned to number 15. So I like the colors, like the baby blue. So let's grab this one. Actually, he named it Jimmy Cables, but this one is the biggest number and that's the lowest number. That's something I caught. He's number 0. It says intersection, the heart, and it's almost like Target if you take away one of them. It's Target if you take away one of them. But here's like the hard road with the 2 cars. And now let's see number 64. He's like, in real life I would say silver. I like the expression. Corner Rod Auto, and this guy is named Dewey Corner Road, and he number 64. Here says Burkey's drive in. Wow, it says how fast you can go. I think he has some stickers. They're revolting. Revolting is one of the racers from Car Street that it says right here, and the other one is motor oil. But yeah, so we have these cars. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.